Thanks for checking out this video, and I'm going to talk about the OBV, the on-balance volume indicator. And the indicator, it's based on the principle that volume precedes price. So that means that changes in trading volume can be an early warning sign of price movement. So the OBV is just a cumulative indicator. It tracks the total volume of an asset over a period of time, and it reflects whether the buyers or sellers are in control by analyzing the trend in trading volumes. So traders can even use it with a moving average to identify trends and determine support and resistance levels. The calculation is pretty straightforward. It adds or subtracts trading volumes based on whether the closing price for a day was higher or lower than the previous day's closing price. So this reveals buying or selling pressure in a stock. Stocks with higher OBV values, they tend to outperform those with lower values over time. So what's the importance of this in trading? When you use OBV, you can identify trends. You can confirm breakouts by analyzing changes in the buying and selling daily volume. So if the asset's price is rising, but the OBV line is showing negative volume flows, this can indicate weakness in the market and a potential reversal. So when you pay attention to these signals, you can adjust your positions accordingly and potentially increase your profit or just not trade. So by analyzing the trends in volume and the price action, you can determine the strength of the buying or selling pressure in whatever you're trading. When the OBV line goes up, it indicates that buying pressure is higher than selling pressure. On the flip side of that, when the OBV line goes down, it suggests that selling pressure is stronger than buying. So you can analyze these trends, and it can provide you with some pretty decent information whether you're going to buy or sell an asset. So there's a bunch of different strategies you can include this with. And one popular one is to look for divergence. And all divergence is when the price and the OBV move in opposite directions, and that indicates a potential reversal in price. However, it is important that you use it in conjunction with other tools. So let's take a look at Pinterest here. Talking about divergence between price and the OBV. So prices are rising, but the OBV is falling. Again, could indicate the bullish momentum is weakening. So if prices are falling, but the OBV is rising, it could signal a potential trend reversal, bullish divergence. This example here has price making higher highs, but the indicator is going down. Adding to this information that points to a bearish reversal is we see that price is unable to hold the upside of a trend line. Now, there are a few ways you can enter this trade, including during the pause before the gap down. This is not the point of this video. We have quite a few videos on YouTube here about getting into trades. But overall, when you use the analysis into your strategy, it can provide some pretty decent insight. You can also use it for confirming price trend by comparing the price action on the chart with the readings. So if there are higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, the OBV should be heading the same direction. So this confirmation can provide you with confidence in the trend continuation or a reversal. Now, it's important to know it is not 100% accurate. If it was, we'd all be rich. This is digital turbines. This is a great example of seeing it in an uptrend. Price of the stock is going up. So does the OBV line. That indicates increasing buying pressure. And the current trend just may continue. During a downtrend, just flip this around. And because on the chart, we see higher lows in price, and we see that increase in the OBV, this is a bullish trade condition. We see price rally off the low, pauses at one entry. The OBV is above the 20-day EMA, setting up an entry for a breakout above that pause. And I call this a nested consolidation, as it appears off of a rally in price. Number 2 entry is a standard resistance zone breakout. Very simple. It's accompanied by an increase in the OBV line above the moving average, confirming that breakout. Now, one indicator we can compare it with is the ADI, the Accumulation Distribution Index. That factors in both price and volume, measures buying and selling pressure. You can use these indicators in conjunction with the OBV. It can help you confirm trend strength or weakness, measure momentum behind the price. It's quite simple to use it. Stick it on your chart. Look for instances of divergence between the indicator and price. Could indicate a weakening trend or a potential reversal. If both price and the indicator are trending in the same direction, it can provide confirmation of a strong trend. You just use your own tools and your own tactics to enter and manage these trades. But you got to remember, you got to follow a trading plan. And that's it. You know, the OBV, it's a game changer for some people because you get to understand how it works along price and volume. And I think you can get some pretty valuable information into the market trends, make better trading decisions when you have more information, just not too much. Just remember, use it in conjunction with other indicators or price action. Make sure you do have a proper trading plan. And since we're talking about indicators, you can download this indicator blueprint. A lot of people charge a lot of money for stuff like this. This is 50 pages in a PDF, and you also get some training videos along with it. The download link is to the left or in the description below. Make sure you hit like, subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.